To make the chicken broth, I've just taken a whole chicken and I'm boiling it in water. So in the pot I've added 5 litres of water, and once I remove the chicken, I'm going to be using that water to make the soup. If you don't have a full chicken to boil, you can use chicken pieces, or you can use store-bought chicken broth or chicken stock cubes. I've cut up my chicken and I'm going to be using that for another dish. With the carcass that is remaining, we're going to be making a fishbowl soup. I've taken all the bones out of the carcass, and now we can take that and put it into the water that we boiled the chicken in. I've just got 1 large carrot, which I'm going to just be peeling and then cutting up into about 5mm slices, and then just cut the whole carrot up. And now you can take the carrots and put them into our pot. I've just picked some vegetables from the garden, which is called kangkong or water spinach, and now we're just washing them. So we're cutting them at about 5 centimeters. And then just do all of them. The soup has boiled, and now we're adding 2 dessert spoons of chicken powder. We're adding 500 grams of frozen fried fish balls, and these ones are by Hanabi, and then just cook them for about 10 minutes on medium heat. We're using these vermicelli bean noodles, and in the packet, each packet contains 5 portions, and we're going to be using 2 packets, which is 10 portions of the vermicelli bean noodles. Once you put them in the pot, just cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes so that they don't overcook, because they do absorb a lot of the water. Add salt and pepper to taste. And now we're going to add the kangkong or water spinach just before serving so that it's still nice and crunchy. And then just mix that through. And there you have a very easy and simple but very tasty fishbowl soup. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.